Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically overlay a black screen or white screen on CapCut. So for the black screen, you're just going to simply select blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. Can't really see the text because the background is pretty light, but here you can see clearly. Like so. And for the other way around, you're just going to select that. Okay, I don't know why it's... And then you're going to go to the blend mode and you're going to choose darken instead. Hello. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!